Hey guys, Russ again, back here at Mike's Off-Road, and today we're going to talk about some Toyota accessories and upgrades, specifically on a 2020 Land Cruiser. All these accessories and upgrades are available for most vehicle and applications. Today we just happen to have a brand new Land Cruiser. First off, we're going to start with suspension. You've heard us talk about it a lot. We do a lot of different suspension setups. Our favorite to do with Toyotas, however, happens to be the Old Man Emu systems. This one got the Old Man Emu BP51 upgrade, full suspension system, coil springs all the way around, BP51 remote reservoir shocks and struts all the way around, and upper front control arm. Up here you can see all the cool gizmos and gadgets. The remote reservoir that's mounted separate gives you that extra cushion for when you're off-road and tearing it up. Next, we're going to talk about a couple other accessories that ARB offers for these. Everything actually we're talking about today is ARB. All right, welcome to the back of the vehicle, guys. Here we got the ARB Drawer System. These are very versatile. They come in a lot of different options, configurations. You can get cages to block off the whole back. If you like, you can have shelves, more storage devices and solutions that are there. This customer decided to go with a dual drawer floor system. These drawers are carpeted, so they match the interior of the vehicle. Very aesthetic, very appealing. Inside you have tons of storage. Goes back even further. The tops of them are carpeted, so that if you choose not to use your stock floor mat on the top, you have a nice carpeted surface on the top. Very easy to use. Closed, they're quiet. Lock into place, easy. They lock as well. Simple, one-step process to pull them out. Very, very nice. Again, like I said, they come in multiple configurations. You can stack them up on one side, leave this side open, or you can do shorter boxes and do a cage system in the back with lots of storage solutions there as well. Again, this is another ARB option that they came out with and that we sell here often at Mike's Off-Road. Also, this is a recovery bed for those emergency situations. You get yourself in a jam, it comes with all the accessories you need to hook your vehicle up to necessary trees or nearby equipment to pull the vehicle out of a jam. We also sell that as well, and that is also another ARB accessory. All right, now we're under the vehicle to show more ARB accessories, and that is the under vehicle protection kit. What that is full underbody protection of all the main mechanical components. You have a two-piece front engine skid plate that's going to protect the bottom of the engine from taking any damage when you're off-road. You have the transmission skid plate, which protects the transmission, and the transfer case skid plate. It's a four-piece kit, comes with a lot of parts and pieces. Seek out a professional to install these. It can be intricate, and we can do that for you. Last but not least, on the very front of the vehicle, we have the ARB Anchor Point, Recovery Point. More industrious, sturdy steel piece that mounts where the factory tow hooks would go and gives you more anchor, more stability, more sturdiness for a hook in case you are jammed up and need to get pulled out by something. That'll get you there and get you out of there, and it's bright red, so you can't miss it. So there you have it, guys. There is a bunch of ARB accessories that we just showed you for Toyota. It's not just for the Land Cruiser. Any vehicle you got out there, SUVs, trucks, we can get that stuff, put it on there for you, no problem. We do it all the time. One other thing we did add to this was the iDrive. We've talked about it. I've seen videos on that before. We put that in so that he has his horsepower on demand when he wants it, or back it off when you're off-roading and you want to get that traction. Again, my name is Russ. You can reach out to me or Dave here at Mike's Off-Road. We'll get you squared away, get you set up for those off-road excursions. Call us at 406-586-4103, and thank you. Have a great day.